right. In today's video, I have more of a vlog style type of video. Someone asked if this was my nail room. This is our guest room slash my nail room because it is where I store all of my polishes and where I come and paint my nails. But I also want to go over this dry erase board because a couple of you guys have pointed it out. So let me flip my camera over. Starting with this desk. This is where I come and paint my nails. So on here, I have the spice rack that I bought at Marshall's or TJ Maxx a long time ago, guys. And I just spray painted it. And at some point, I'm pretty sure it was holding my Orly collection. And then later on, it was storing my seasonal rack polishes. I mean, it's come in handy. Currently, though, it is housing my base coats and top coats. And then over here, I have some soak-off clips, additional base and top coats. I also have right there in front, I have all of my project polishes. I make sure to keep them right in front of me so I don't forget to wear them. And then on this side, I have dotting tools, nail art related stuff, cleanup brushes, Vaseline, because I can never do without. This tripod, I bought it on Amazon. It took me a while to find a tripod like this that faces directly down. So I will make sure to link it down below if in case you guys create videos or, you know, are looking for one. This one has come in handy. I did, though, have to pull a weight back to hold it because once you place the phone on, it almost weighs it down a little bit. This weight back I already had. It came in a kit with a ring light. And then this tripod is the one that I use. I sit in front of the window. I sit right in this area in front of the window. So this is a tripod that I use for my phone when I record videos. And then my little mat, my little silicone mat from Born Pretty. I mentioned before that I needed to get a larger one. I have yet to get one. The dry erase board I bought at Walmart, and I write down videos that I plan on recording in the following month or this coming season, just so that I don't forget, because oftentimes I get some ideas and then I forget about them later. So it'll have regular videos like monthly manis videos, project polish videos, right? Things that I record on a regular basis. But I also have written down here videos that I plan on doing at some point. This glitter topper video here, I've had written on here since I got this dry erase board, and I have yet to record that video. And the reason for that is because I know it's going to be a mofo to record and to edit. I have rose gold comparison. Someone asked for that video. So I'm trying to write down also your video requests so that I don't forget. Brown polish collection, I already recorded that. If it's already uploaded, I will link it up in the cards. I have fall trending manis. For that video, I plan on pulling inspiration pictures from blogs, from magazine blogs, and then pulling polishes that I can use to recreate those videos. Not only is that inspirational for me, but I'm hoping it'll be inspirational for you guys. And then here at the top, and what takes up majority of this board, is manicure ideas. So previously, this was housing all of the summer manicures that I wanted to wear. When I come to my desk and sit down, I take a look at this board, and if I feel inspired to do anything that's on this board, I will do it. Does it mean that I'm going to get to every single manicure on here? No, because when I wrote it down, maybe I was inspired by that manicure and I really wanted to wear it, but you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe I don't want to do it anymore, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm not bound by what I have written on here. I just use it basically as a reminder. I also, though, go on Google Images and take screenshots and save those until the season is over, just so that I don't forget. So up here, I have here a rainbow scalloped French tip design and the metallic French tip. Those two I had on my summer, you know, manicures to do. I didn't get to them during the summer, but I still left them up here because I can still do the metallic French tip this fall, if not during winter. And then the rainbow scalloped French tip, I can very well use fall colors to recreate that manicure. So some of these are almost tied into this fall trending manis, you know, video. This one, for instance, is a mint or blue manicure. with a red glitter topper. That manicure was actually inspired by a post that I saw on Instagram. Your girl V was featuring an indie polish, and it was a mint curly with red glitter. I love the contrast of the two colors. I don't, though, plan on buying that polish, and I currently don't have anything in my collection, so I use it as an inspiration for a possible combination in the near future. I don't know. We'll see if that works out. I have some manicures that I wore last fall and I want to wear again, like my Skull Mani using the 90 lacquer. No bones about it. I have Bronze Ambition with the gold flaky. Those two I wore last year, want to wear this year. I want to layer Green Ocean and Roxy. Roxy from Soya and Green Ocean is from Sinful Colors. I already tested it out and played around. Oh my god, the combination is amazing. So I may actually end up doing that this fall, if not during winter. I'm gonna do it sometime before the year ends because that combination is amazing. And then some color combinations that I just kind of want to put together. And sometimes when my description is not all that clear, I failed attempt at drawing out a nail and then the little design. All right, moving on to this bookshelf, which is on its way out. It is on the struggle bus. It's a little flimsy. It's all sorts of not good, but I have this dresser that I want to restore. I've just haven't gotten to it. So in the meantime, this stays here, and it's currently holding my polishes that I've already worn this fall. This wooden box is storing cotton balls, sponges, nail art related stuff, anything of the sort. The plastic container is from the Dollar Tree, and I am currently storing polishes that I want to wear this winter. When I was pulling out polishes to go on my fall seasonal rack, I ran out of room, and instead of putting all of the polishes back in their place, I set them to the side so I can hopefully wear them this winter. Another plastic container, this is storing Butter London polishes, some Pop Beauty polishes. I have decluttered polishes here. This has been cleaned out recently because my sisters went through it, my niece went through it, and then one of my little Twinkies recently started showing interest in nail polish. So now she has her own little collection going. I also pulled polishes from my my drawers if for some reason she was missing some colors, because she's very much into nail art at the moment. And then the little caddy, I've mentioned this maybe a few years ago. I use this whenever if I don't paint my nails in this room, I put all of my manicure essentials and put it in this little caddy, take it downstairs if I ever paint my nails downstairs, and then that is holding all sorts of whatever stuff, basically random miscellaneous things. This little caddy is from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those places. It was previously housing all OPI. I've now reduced my OPI to 2 little trays for 2 reasons. 1, because I've decluttered. 2, because some of the OPIs have made it to my curated polish racks. So now OPI is only on these 2 trays, and then the rest of this is base coats, top coats, nail glue, anything of the sort. If you guys remember my curated polish collection video, I've now expanded from 1 rack to 2 racks, and then my toppers right over here. I basically went through my drawers and pulled everything that I truly love and have worn over and over again. And then I also pulled some polishes that I like combining with others, or a variety of tone of glitters, let's say blues and stuff like that. This tower, it's a little turning tower, holds all of my Orleys. It's a little weighted down, so it doesn't really do the little spinning effect as well as it used to. And then this is storing polish or holding polishes that I actually need to put away. And this is an Alex drawer that I painted. I think it used to be gray. And then I put a little decal over it. And it's storing Essie, Sinful Colors, China Glaze, LA Colors. Here at the top, I have acrylic paints and nail art related stuff like nail foils, rhinestones, anything of the sort. This built-in holds a lot of my junk. So this is a mess, and so is this. This is kind of like Monica's secret closet. Down here, I have 2 little acrylic bins, I guess, and they store all of my indie polishes. This rack holds all of the toppers that I want to wear this fall season. I am going to make a separate video just on these polishes. And then up here, these acrylic racks I bought on Amazon. I will make sure to link them down below. I wanted to display polishes that I specifically bought for the name of them. Some of them I have worn. A lot of them I have not though. I literally bought them for the name of them and I just want to display them. And then I have backups up there and then more polishes that I kept for the name. That is not a real candle. It is a battery operated candle, just an FYI. I have my camera, some color pencils, and then that little frame there my sister gave to me. And it says, "In a world full of roses, be a sunflower," because I adore sunflowers. It is my favorite flower. And then over here, I have my seasonal rack. This is an acrylic rack. It's 2 racks, but it makes up one. But it's in the same order. I didn't have to place an order for each individual one. And it holds about definitely over 70 polishes, I want to say. So it's holding all of the polishes that I want to wear this fall. I already made a video on each individual polish, so I'll make sure to link it up in the cards if you guys are interested. Quickly, this little pumpkin my sister gave to me. It's battery operated. And then that little bicycle I bought at Walmart. And then that redhead over there is what I've used in the past to create bald caps. I think that sign, I'm pretty sure I bought it at Target, just in case you guys are curious. And then that little fall thing, I don't know where I bought that. Possibly Walmart. I can't remember. And then those flowers are just old. All sorts of old. Whew. All right, I took a lunch break. I got a little hungry there. Before I go, I do want to mention something really quick, because the only time I keep my blinds open is when I'm going to be recording a video. Anytime after that, the blinds stay closed. And the reason for that is because, as you can see, most of my polishes are on display. And they look really beautiful on the walls. But I still want to take care of my polishes. And so for that reason, I keep the blinds closed so that I don't run the risk of them fading or drying out. So it's just something to keep in mind, you know. They look really beautiful, but I still want to take very good care of them. So that is everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.